Welcome! Standardization of keys across the product lets you use the same keys to perform consistent actions in all reports. You need to learn to use a button once for a given report, and you can use the same button in all other reports if the functionality exists. This will help you to build memory easily and work faster. For example, F6 button will be used across all reports to view the current report in a monthly format. Similarly, F7 button will be used across all reports to display profitability. Additionally, to reduce clutter, a right button has been used for 3 actions. It can be operated plainly and then with the combination of Alt and Control keys as well. A report or a transaction now has lesser number of keys but still allows you to do more using the combination of keys. Similar to buttons, usage of keys has also been standardized for consistency. You can use Windows keys like Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste. Windows navigation keys like Home key to take cursor to the first line either in the menu or display reports. Or End key to take the cursor to the last line. Up to move to the previous line and down to the next line. Some hidden keys that are specific to Tally are also standardized. Press Alt+C to go to Master Creation. Page Up in Voucher screen will open the previously saved voucher. Alt+D can be used to delete masters and vouchers. Ctrl+R can be used to retrieve narration from previous voucher. All these keys you have to only learn once and use them to simplify your data entry process. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.